Are you an artist, musician, or content creator? Think your stage name is automatically yours? Think again. If you don't trademark your artist name, someone else could take it, and you might have to rebrand. Hi, my name is Dan Exton-Win, a California business attorney, and today we're breaking down how your artist name so you can own your own brand through trademarks, protect your work, and avoid costly legal battles. So let's get started. Step 1. Check if your artist name is available. Before spending years building your brand, you need to make sure your name isn't already taken. Do a Google search to see if someone else is already using it. Check the USPTO database for existing trademarks. Look at social media handles and domain names to avoid conflicts. If your name is already trademarked, you'll need to pick a different one or risk legal trouble. Step 2. File a trademark application. If your name is available, it's time to make it officially yours. You'll need to choose your trademark class. Are you using your name for music, entertainment, or merchandise? Make sure you pick the right category. 2. File with the USPTO. You can do this yourself or hire a lawyer to avoid making mistakes. 3. Pay the fee. It's $350 per class for goods and services. Here's a pro tip. File for a word mark, which gives you a stronger protection than just the logo. Step 3. Protect your trademark. Once your trademark is approved, you need to defend it. Use the R in the circle symbol to show it's officially registered. Monitor for copycats. If someone else starts using your name, send them a cease and desist letter. Renew your trademark every 10 years to keep your rights. Thanks for tuning in for legal tips for smart entrepreneurs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Stay informed and stay empowered. Hi, I'm Dan Exton-Win, a trademark attorney in California. Are you an entrepreneur or business owner trying to protect your brand without a trademark, but worried about the long and confusing process? Let me walk you through how we help one of our clients achieve a federal trademark in record time, just 6 months. And the average processing time was 13 months. So what was the challenge? Trademark processing times are notoriously slow, averaging 13 months at the time of this video. But our client needed their brand protected quickly to move forward with confidence. So let me share the 3 key factors that made this happen. Success factor number 1, comprehensive trademark search. First step was conducting a comprehensive trademark search. This process goes beyond just checking for exact matches. It looks for trademarks that sound alike, look similar, or mean the same thing. This allowed us to confidently submit an application with no surprises from the USPTO. Success factor number 2, strong trademark selection. Next, we ensured that the trademark was strong. The Trademark Office categorizes trademarks into 5 levels: generic, descriptive, suggestive, arbitrary, and fanciful. Strong trademarks, like our clients, falls into suggestive or arbitrary categories. These are unique and easier to register. Success factor number 3, proper specimen submission. The final step is submitting a proper specimen. This is proof of how the trademark is already being used in business. Now for this client, we provided screenshots of their website showcasing the trademark in use. By submitting a clear and accurate specimen, we avoided any back and forth with the USPTO, saving time and effort. Now, this success wasn't one-off. We've helped hundreds of clients navigate the trademark process with ease. We handle the complexities so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. So, are you ready to protect your brand? Let's chat. Schedule a free trademark strategy session today. We'll conduct a knockout search, assess your trademark strength, and answer all your questions. Click on the link or scan the QR code to get started. I look forward to working with you.